Drum roll! We are on the last day of our DIY Bling Bling Advent Calendar. And I just noticed I never opened this one, but that is just for all the stuff that we've already seen. So you guys, day 24. Day 24. The last day. The last day. We are going to be opening this. I am super excited. These have not disappointed. They have each one of the previous 23 days have been great. I can't believe I almost don't want to do it. The last day. Oh, I'm kind of sad. And you guys, it's Christmas Eve as you're watching this. Merry Christmas. All right. So let's open this up. And let's see what the last one has in store. He doesn't want to come out. The last one is giving me a hard time. Oh, he's like really in there. Look, I'm totally destroying the whole box, but that's okay. And the last one is Scooby Doo. No way. Oh, they saved the best for last. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you? Oh my gosh, they gave us Scooby Doo. I guess it could be any Great Dane in a wreath with the Santa hat, but he looks like Scooby Doo. Look, Scooby Doo. I'm so excited. Day 24 is Scooby Doo. Oh, that is so awesome, you guys. This Advent calendar has been a pleasure. We'll have to do it again next year. I can't believe, as you were watching this, it is Christmas Eve, and I am kind of sad that it's already the 24th. Now, of course, as I'm recording it, that's not the case, but by the time this is all done and edited and up, it will be Christmas Eve, and I'll be getting ready to spend time with my family and friends, and I hope you guys get to do that too. But I'm glad I get to take time out of this busy month to spend time with you guys. So, without further ado, let's get this ready. All right, guys, Scooby-Doo is done. See, Scooby Dooby done instead of Scooby Dooby Doo. And he is adorable. So let's peel off the backing. And see what we have. Yay! Scooby Dooby Dooby done. And this... I'm sorry, he's so cute. I can't stop laughing. This concludes day 24 of our DIY Bling Bling Diamond Painting Advent Calendar Day 24. I had so much fun doing this, you guys. It was awesome. And everything is adorable. And I will try to come back and do a separate video showing you all of them once they're all sealed up and ready to go. Okay? But for now, let's take a last look at Scooby. He's so cute. I love dogs, and this is adorable, and I love Scooby-Doo, and I can't believe we got a Scooby-Doo. Like, that has to be Scooby, right? He looks exactly like him. Anyway, you guys, I'm really enjoying this. I can't believe it's done. 24 keychains done. And it's Christmas Eve as you're watching this. Christmas Eve. That is awesome. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I hope you're having a great time with your family and friends, or in your animals, or however you prefer to choose this day. However you prefer to choose to spend this day, I hope you're having a great day. And if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit the subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And thank you so much for spending time with me today and all month and every day. I really appreciate your support. All right, guys, I can't believe it's Christmas Eve. I'm so excited. All right, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and Merry Christmas. Bye, guys. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Scooby Dooby Doo, where are you?
Merry Christmas.